Alright, hi everyone, we're back. So, finishing touches. We're up to finishing touches. This is video 8, and so we're going to make our whole drawing look a bit better, right? So we're going to start by filling in all the walls with black, right? So we're going to use the paint tool or the paint bucket icon, and then we're going to choose a material. When you start to choose one, you'll need to go here to colors and then go all the way down to the bottom. Here's black, and so we can just fill all of the walls with black like that. You'll have to zoom out, zoom back in. You'll see I've added some elements here like that. All of my columns need to be, didn't work out very well. Walls, something like that, and then all of these need to be black as well. Something like this. I also want a bit of a white background. I don't need these anymore. I'm going to make all of these into a group, and then I'm just going to create a big white rectangle behind my drawing, right? And so now if I click out of it, you can see that's a pretty nice drawing. Just don't have that selected. Now, some things that I don't have is when I bring this out of SketchUp, I'm going to do a screenshot. How am I going to know what size this building is, right? The doors give me some indication, but I need a bit more than that. So a way of doing that is to create a scale. Rather than to create your own, I've given you a scale or some scales to choose from. Let's go and import one of those now. So go to import from Google Drive for me. So I'm going to go and find them in my Google Drive. You'll have downloaded them to your Google Drive. So my drive, and then so I just got to go and navigate to find it. There we go. And this is it here, right? I'm going to import it as a component and just drop it down there. Obviously there's way too many of these, so people might be really useful as well. So just delete the things that you don't want. So probably get rid of this, keep that guy, maybe delete all of these. And this, very good. Now zoom out. That's pretty good. Right, in the very final video, I'm going to show you how to effectively export your image. Shouldn't be too hard. All right, that's all. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you.